Everyone, welcome back for part 3 of forging an awesome curved railing. Today we're going to be installing it inside, but before we do that, here's a look back to finishing it up in the shop. Thank you for joining us.
Okay, so we're finishing the fit up on all the scroll work. These were the last 2 panels that we worked on this project, and we're working them like a mirror so that both sides look exactly the same. So you notice the template board on the left-hand side with the red tracing. That's actually an exact tracing of the right-hand side that we then use to make sure the left-hand side mirrors perfectly. Here you can see we're rolling the cap rail for the long curve sections. Fitting up all the cap railing was the last part of the fabrication process. And you can see here we're working on the sculptural ends. You'll get a better look at them later in the video. End of day 1, we have this upstairs set on this job. Tomorrow we're setting all of that. Beautiful space. Let's rock and roll, guys.
Okay, so we have the right side fit up. Are we happy? Oh yeah, ton of work in this, so it's super rewarding to see it slip into place. Let me flip this around. So there's the right side fit up. You can see how complex this is as I walk around. It's like a very complex fit up. It's like a mini helix here that attaches on the side, and then there's these anchor points here, just simple and elegant. We still have to weld in up there, but after working on it for so long, we are psyched to see it at this stage. So keep shooting some time lapse and bring in for the fitting up of the left side. So at the end of the day, these railings really fit amazing, which is a tribute to the processes that we used and you saw back in parts 1 and 2 to make this framework on site, and then take it back, jig it exactly, do the infill work, and then bring it back out. So we've made some decent progress. We've got the rough fit up on both sides. These rails really sweep out. So before launch, get these fit up roughly. Still some welding to do, but this is the main staircase. These guys right here staring at the phones. Killed it.
Taking a video.
Great job, great job, great job.
Sending a thing.
Great work.
Doing emails.
Super cool.
It worked.
tying in that centerpiece to the side piece. Maybe. Still needs a little bit of finish, but that's the tie-in where this panel gets welded into that panel. Now, as we close out this video, we're going to take a look at the second staircase on the other side of the house, which was the same design, but a much simple flat panel geometry. Down 3 floors. You can see right through there is the main staircase. Thank you again for joining us for part 3 on this special build series. We hope if you enjoyed this content that you'll hit that subscribe button and continue following us on our creative journey. Thanks again.